Yo everybody, I like that song, but I'm going to have to take it off because YouTube's going to get me in trouble with a copyright. There we go. That means YouTube doesn't like it if you use famous songs, so my bad. Alright everybody, good morning. We're going to start off with ordering numbers, putting numbers in order. So think about in real life how you use numbers, right? Money, paying rent, when you get a check. So now we're going to order from least, and oh my gosh, I need some lotion on my hands, I'm sorry. Okay. So we're going to order from least to greatest. Least is the smallest, greatest is the biggest. So least, we'll make this a definition here. Least, smaller. That's all you got to know. Greatest, larger. Okay. So I can use my number chart here, and you have the one that's in your iPad that you saved in your files. So I do the following, right? So I have these numbers now. These are 4-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to order them from least to greatest. Okay? So here's what I do. I write them all down over here, and I have it next to me, which is what you're going to do. Okay? If you don't have this sheet, you have another alternative. That means another option. There's always ways to solve a problem. Okay? So you go to, and it doesn't, this is not the best, I don't like doing it like this, but you go to your files, which I showed you how to do. I'm going to stop moving it. There we go, it'll focus. Go here, which I showed you, and you should have that. When you put done, you should have saved it. Okay? So it's right here. Alright? Again, it's doing the focusing. So it's right there. Now, if you still don't know, watch this. You go to Student, Canvas. You go to Dashboard, which is down here. Push the dashboard. Push it again. It takes you here. The monkey, my favorite animal. Alright, you go to Announcements. There's no excuse. You all need to do it. I know you guys are going to do it. I'm not trying to sound mean. Alright, so you go to 4-digit place value chart. Again, right there. Okay? Then you press the blue underlined words, place value chart. You go there. You go to the little arrow with the box in it. That means that you're going to save it. Oh, it's kind of focusing up, but you can kind of see it, right? There we go. Alright, there we go. You go there. Alright? And you save to files. And you just save on my iPad. You see it's already on your iPad. You got to make sure it's on my iPad. It's a little blurry again. There we go. And then you put save, and then you're gonna, I already have it, so I'm not gonna replace it, but you're gonna save there. Okay, if you already have it, don't save it again. Okay, so you could put, I'm not gonna put anything, I'm just gonna leave it like that, but that's where you save. Okay, so you go back, you can use this one from your files. You're gonna do the same thing here. Alright, so here we go. Alright, it's the same kind of thing. So now I write my first number. Okay, it's 1,105, 1,150, 1,501, 1,115, and 1,550. Okay, so I look at the different place value numbers, okay? I look at the different place value numbers, alright? That's what I'm going to do. Let me see, there's that glare. Oh, I don't like that glare. Let me see if this helps. Alright, ready? Let's see. It helps a little bit. I don't like that glare. Okay, there we go. So, now I look at, the first value is the thousands, so they're all the same. Then I look at the hundreds. Now here's where I'm going to look for the greater number, or the least number, I'm sorry. It says from least to greatest. So which is the smallest one? Well, they all have a 1 in the thousands place, so they're all 1,000. So now I look at the hundreds. I got to look at which is the least or the smallest. So 1 is smaller than 5 and 5. So these ones, automatically I know these are not going to be the smallest ones. So I'm just going to circle them. Okay, right there. So I have 3 numbers that are going to be the smallest ones. So then this one has 1, 1, 100, 100, 100. So they're tied. They're the same score. Now this one has a 0, this one has a 5, and this one has a 1. So which one is least? 0 is least. So that's my smallest number is this one. This is a number I write down first. So I go over here. So the smallest number is 1,105, and I cross it out right there, and I cross it out right here. Okay, so now I just have 1,150, 1,115. So I go right here. 1 in the thousands, 1 in the thousands. Check. 1 in the hundreds. I'm sorry. 1 in the hundreds, 1 in the hundreds. Check. 5 in the tens, 1 in the tens. 1 is less than 5. So this one is the next number that comes up. It's the least number, alright? So I go to that one. 1,115. 1,115. And I cross it out there. And I cross it out over here. So as soon as you figure it out, you cross them out. And the last one that's left, well, is this one right here. Because these have a 5 in the hundreds place, 5 in the hundreds place, so they're bigger than that one. Alright, so 1,150 is next. So I go over here. 1,150 is next. Boom, cross it out. Okay, so now I only have these two left. And I can even just look at which one's greater. Or least. 1,501, 1,550. Well, that one, look. 550, it's like money. If I had $1,501, that's less than $1,550, right? So I go back over here so I can look at it on the place value chart. Alright? So 1 in the thousands, 1 in the thousands. Oh yeah, and this one's no longer needed. So the ones that are circled, right? So 1 in the thousands, 1 in the thousands. 5 in the hundreds, 5 in the hundreds. They're the same. 0 in the tens, 5 in the tens. Well, this one's next. It's the least. I cross it out. I kind of already saw that. So I go to 1,501, cross it out, and the last one I don't even need to do anything anymore because I already know it's the largest number. So least to greatest, least to greatest, and you see how they grow? So just cover the 1,000. Look, it's like 105, 115, 150, 501, 550. If they have the same number in the thousands, that's what you do. You just kind of cover it up, and you could look at the hundreds. 770, 707, that's 70, that's just the 007, and that's 867. Look, that doesn't even have 1,000, so what do you think is the least number there, or the smallest number there? Alrighty, Mr. Hernandez signing out, and we will go over this together in class. Alright everybody, peace!